In this video, we are going to make it so that you can click on a user or a bit of data in a list of data, and it'll take you through to a page that gives you detail about this, where you might just want to zoom in on what it is that you're seeing, or you might actually want to edit it. So it's a way to, I guess, drill down on a particular record. So looking at our code here, we are creating a list, and in that list we have a TD or a cell which has the first name, and we have another one that has the last name, and we have another one that has the age. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a new TD, so TD /TD, and I'm going to have the word view, because this is what they're going to, in fact, why don't we just view detail. So this is what they're going to see, and let's just go back and make sure that that worked. So we refresh that, and there you go. Everybody has their details and view detail, which currently doesn't do anything. So all I'm going to do is just write some very standard HTML here, ahref equals, and I'm going to put that out to a file called detail.php. Now you'll notice actually that that's gone weird in terms of color. I should have used a single talking mark there, because I'm actually within a variable that is defined by double talking marks. So if I were to put the doubles in, it would actually look like I was jumping out of the code. So there we go, and then I'm going to close off that A tag. There we go, I think I got it right. Let's go back and have a look. Fantastic. And so now, everybody I click on will take me over to detail.php. Okay, so that's a start, but it's actually not particularly useful to us, because that page isn't going to know who it is that we're talking about. So what we're going to do is add to the address PHP, and then we're going to put a question mark, and we're going to say ID equals. Now, when I save that and have a look at it, I'm holding down my shift key again to make sure that I'm getting the latest code, and then when I hold my mouse over it, you'll see it says down the bottom, detail.php ID equals, but it doesn't tell me what the ID is. Well, that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it using this. So in actual fact, I'm going to get all of that. Just going to borrow that there, where I'm getting the value of first, and I'm going to put in the same thing just after the equals there for ID. So now, when I go back here, not only does everybody have their own name and so forth out of the database, but their view detail link has a different number on the end, as you can see down the bottom. So if I click on Toddy here, then it takes me to that page with the ID equals 9 at the top of the page. And used in conjunction with get on that page, we can do some really interesting things.